Dr. Austin Talley. I'm a faculty who has an opportunity to work here in the Ingram School of Engineering and often with our Makerspace. The Ingram Hall Makerspace is located on the first floor of Ingram Hall, and it is an academic makerspace. It's a place where our students can work. It is both a classroom and is a place for them to have learning and the creativity, and it's for them to come and do their final senior projects. So really it's a place where they can go in, take some training, and be able to experience and work with other students on how to take their ideas and make them reality. Whether that's their passion project, their senior design project working with outside sponsors, or directly on a class lab where they're learning machining, 3D printing, other basics. Within the space we have 3D printers and laser cutters are often, but we also have industrial side, which everything is from Torchmate to water jets, industrial machining, and even welding. So it's an area that you can really be able, the students can work with others to take their ideas and make them reality. They often get to work with other students, whether those student volunteers or workers, on their understanding their design, and staff. So once again, it's a place where all students can come together. It's open to all students at all the university, but it does have a lot of opportunities for learning here for our Ingram School of Engineering students.